Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to talk about King Casino platform. What is King Casino all about? How you can get benefit from King Casino? And we are going to check and we are going to inspect each and every aspect of the platform King Casino. Right now, what is King Casino all about? Basically, the King Casino is a licensed cryptocurrency online casino registered in Curacao, offering an amazing collection of over 1000 high quality slot games and all well known all well known, you can say, all the well known casino games. Okay, mainly you can say blackjack, poker and baccarat. At this time they are basically offering you the sports betting also, so it is basically one of the best security token for you. Here you can see the whole supply of the KCT. Basically you can read it is basically an ERC20 based token. KCT token and ERC20 based security token is a cryptographic token that pays dividends, share profits and can be used for wagering or purchasing services at our online casino. By owning the KCT token, the investor will become the stockholder who owns a share of our company and receive the dividends every quarter based on the number of tokens held. It means if, for example, you are holding, for example, you are holding about 5,000 the KCT token, then every time whenever the company is going to earn something, you also are going to get benefit from this platform King Casino. Here you can read each and everything about the platform. First of all, about the kingcasino.io, and the most important thing which I am going to show you about the main factors of this platform. Here you can see the price. Basically price at this time, you have the chance to buy this token at low price, but if you are not going to buy this token at this time, seriously you are going to regret yourself, and after, for example, 3 to 4 months, you are unable to buy this token at low price. Here you can see quarterly profit sharing, token burn increases demand, fast transaction, voting power on major issues. Here you can see each and everything, and right now you can see the major thing regarding the platform, the private sale. At this time the private sale is ongoing and you can purchase this token at 0.50, 0.80, 0.90. In all rounds you can buy this token at this time. But on April 6th, you will be able to purchase this token on P2P B2B exchange. Here I will show you that one also, that on 6th of April, basically their IEO will start on P2P B2B exchange, and then you will be able to buy this token from basically P2P B2B in their IEO very easily in BTC, Ethereum and USD. But you have the chance at this time to purchase this token at low price directly from the private sale, and here you can see about the ICO also. Right now you have only 5 days left in which you can purchase this token from their private sale, so go get it now. Right now you just have to basically mail them here, and then they are going to tell you which round is ongoing, and then you can purchase this token directly, King Casino KCT token, directly from the private sale. And with the help of private sale, definitely you are going to earn much more money, because as I told you before, that at this time you can see one thing, that in their IEO you can purchase this token at the price $1. So right now if you purchase this token at low price, that will be great for all of you. Here you can see about the ICO details. The parallel to the IEO, we provide an ICO, a form of crowdfunding. On our official website, the first token sale was held by King Casino in February 2020. Almost all funding from ICO will be directly invested and used for legal activities, corporate finance, marketing and development. How you can buy this token at this time, that is the major question. You just have to click on this link, join the kingcasino.io. When you are going to click on this link, here you can see each and everything where you can basically buy this token directly. Here you have the chance. Right now you can see the basic IEO is basically end up. Here you can see it by yourself, and you have the chance in the private sale, that from 25 of 2, it means the February of 25th, up to, you can say, 5th of April, you have the chance. You just have to mail them and they are going to send you the coins if you want to buy directly from their private sale. Because private sale is ongoing for next 5 days, and you have only and only 5 days left in which you can purchase this token at low price from the IEO. So go and grab this token right now, because after this one, when IEO will start, no one is going to give you token at low price. So grab this token at this time, because on 6th of April on both exchanges, La token and also on P2P B2B, the IEO will start, and the price of one token, one KCT token in their IEO is $1. So grab this token before it's too late, and I will show you something more that is entirely interesting for you. Here you can see all the details regarding the advisor and angel investor, and here you can see the management team of this platform, and you can ask each and everything regarding the platform anytime, because 24/7 support is there for you, where you can ask multiple questions from the whole team and they are going to answer it. And here you can see the roadmap of this platform, where you can read each and everything regarding the platform, what they are going to do. And in 2021, blockchain based casino platform mobile wallet will release in iOS and Android app. It means that you will be able, after 1 year, if you are going to hold this token, after 1 year you have the chance to hold this token on your personal mobile phone. That is an awesome thing of this platform. Here you can also read about the features of this platform, and here why you are going to choose it. Here you can see high profits, amazing game collections, top gaming providers, licensed. The basic thing is this, that this platform is a licensed platform. It means 100% legal. So you basically your all funds will be in, you can say, the safe hands. So you must have to come towards it. And here you can see at this time for the payment, they are basically giving you multiple options that you can purchase this token in BTC, Ethereum and USDT. Here you can see regarding the ICO and IEO and all the details regarding it. And here comes the contract address, that is entirely important for you. Where you can see, here you can see with the basic thing, that name of this token is KCT, the symbol is KCT, type is security token, the whole volume, and here you can see the accepted currencies. So go grab this token right now, and here you can also read one thing that is entirely important regarding the platform, that is the white paper. But before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon. And if you are listening my voice first time, so kindly do one thing, it is like a favor for me, seriously. Kindly subscribe us on all the social media, so you are not going to miss any of our video. So kindly do this, and also subscribe our video, and not our video, seriously. You have to like this video and you have to share this video. Yeah, that is the great thing. Okay, so here comes the white paper. So here you can see all the details of the contacts, where you can basically contact them. And if you want to buy this token, again and again I am telling you a simple thing, you just have to mail them investors at the rate of kingcasino.io, and they are going to reply you in hardly 30 minutes, and then you'll be able to buy this coin at low price from the IEO. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button. I will share the link of kingcasino.io in description, and also I will share the link of the white paper, where you can read each and everything regarding the team members, regarding the roadmap, and also about the key factors of this platform, King Casino. So go grab this token right now. Thanks a lot.